In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Spotify on Discord. In just a few clicks, you'll link your music account so friends can see what you're listening to while you chat. I'm demonstrating on the desktop app, and the process is the same on the browser version. First, open Discord. Look to the bottom left corner of the window. Next to your profile picture and username, there's a small gear icon. That's User Settings. Click it to open your personal settings panel, where you manage everything from audio to accessibility. Inside User Settings, find the Connections section in the left-hand sidebar. Click Connections to open a page that lists popular services you can link to your Discord account. This is where the Spotify option lives. On the Connections page, look for the Spotify logo among the available platforms and click it. Discord will open a secure browser window that takes you to Spotify's sign-in and authorization page. If a browser tab doesn't appear, check that your pop-up blocker isn't preventing it, or try again with your default browser open. When the Spotify page loads, sign into your Spotify account as you normally do, and confirm that you want to connect it to Discord. Make sure you're using the Spotify account you actually listen on, especially if you have multiple profiles. You'll see a confirmation from Spotify, and then Discord will automatically detect that the link was successful. Head back to Discord, and you should now see Spotify listed under your connections, usually with a green logo and a connected status. That's it. Your accounts are linked. From here, Discord can display what you're currently playing, and certain servers or friends can see your listening activity when you're active. If you don't see the connection right away, give it a moment, then close and reopen the Connections page, or restart Discord to refresh. A couple of quick tips if something doesn't work. Verify you have a stable internet connection, make sure you're running the latest version of Discord, and confirm you can sign into Spotify in a regular browser tab. Corporate or school networks may block third-party sign-ins, so try a personal network if needed, and that's all you need to connect Spotify on Discord.